everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel ANNISHA'S English Academy. Schwa sound, the most common sound in British English. To make this sound, we basically do nothing with our jaw, mouth, lips and tongue. We just produce the sound ah. First sound টা হচ্ছে about, not about, it will be about. Next, America, not America, it will be America. Next, alone, not alone, it will be alone. Next, water. As we are learning British English, we are not pronouncing R sound at last. Water. Next, regular, not regular, it will be regular. Doctor, not doctor, it will be doctor. Next, color, center, meter. So these are the few words by using Schwa sounds, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. You just go back to the video and practice again. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.